PEK 450 high pressure test bench for piezo and magnetic injectors up to 450 bar. What are we doing here? We are doing a back flush. This is very important for us to have correct cleaning of the injection nozzles. Because after all, most of the dirt accumulates internally, when it doesn't block the tip of the nozzle. You will notice. Take a look at the lots of dirt. Dirt is the way to say it. Because for the injector, these are like stones inside the injector and they came out with PEK 450. Now with 60 bar pressure, and 1000 RPM, which is idle speed. We are testing the injectors installed on the PEK 450 and at the moment they are all magnetic from VW. Let's now increase the rotation to 5000 RPM and now also increase the pressure to 420,430 bar. This way you test the system perfectly and correct way.